Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I'm gonna be testing a recipe from Twisted that I found on Instagram. Recipe for French toast nuggets. Let's get into it.
Perfect.
So I've always loved French toast. I wanted new ways of making it, and this was a new way, and it's always good to learn new things. And guys, if you like it, give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and turn on the little notification bell on the side there so that you can get notifications when I upload new videos. Until next time, bye.